2022 was a spectacular year for brands that release rugged phones. We saw rugged phones with unprecedented features and specs. In this video, I'm going to be mentioning some of the best rugged phones of 2022. The rugged phones mentioned in this video are based on personal opinion. So if you know of any rugged phone that you believe is also one of the best announced or released in 2022 that isn't in this video, then make sure to share in the comment section below. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, these are some of the best rugged phones of 2022. So there we go, guys. What are your thoughts about the rugged phones mentioned? Make sure to share in the comment section below. 2022 was a spectacular year, no doubt, and I'm confident that the rugged phones that are going to be released this year will be far better than the rugged phones released last year. It's going to be an amazing year, guys. Happy New Year. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.